We are at the Thousand Branches Wellness, Arden Hills, ribbon cutting and open house.
It's innovative, like nobody else is doing it. So UHS is our parent company. They're very large, and Thousand Branches Wellness is the first time we're doing freestanding outpatient under that umbrella. So really unique, and we're hoping to spread it across the country. People need it. It's very needed in all the communities. People's mental health is very important, and everyone needs to take care of themselves.
One of the things I love about our office space is we do have a lot of windows, we have a lot of open space, and you can look outside and see the nature and the trees, and it doesn't just feel like an office building.
The hard work that the team has done to really build out this unique outpatient business here in the Arden Hills community, which we know is really important. And I want to thank all of you also for coming and supporting us, because as we go through these endeavors, your support in the local community in support of the care continuum and quality care is extremely important.
So if you're looking for help for yourself or for a loved one, you can reach us on our website, through our contact form, or you can call us through our 800 number, which will connect you to a clinician here at our Arden Hills location.
We'd love for you to come check us out, and we are taking new clients now, so send them our way. To learn more about us, go ahead and give us a follow on LinkedIn and Facebook.